In today's video, we are upgrading Windows 11 24H2 version to 25H2 version. So as you know that Microsoft has released Windows 11 25H2 version as of September 30, 2025. So before we upgrade, we have to upgrade Windows update and upgrade. So first we will upgrade this. To upgrade Windows 11 version to 25H. Before we upgrade, we have to back up all the data. Let's upgrade it. So let's see if Windows 11 25H2 version. Upgrade process has been started. So you need a stable internet and you should not turn off your computer if you want to upgrade the latest version of Windows. This process might take a while, so you have to wait. Let's see which version is 24H2 or 25H2. We are up to date, so we have set here. And we use the run command. We have to use the latest version. We have successfully upgraded Windows 11 25H2. And back then it was 24H2. So this is how you upgrade. This is by Windows update and by downloading Windows 24H2 version on Windows. As Microsoft has released an Windows update, we have to upgrade to 24H2 to 25H2 version. So we have rebooted and verified it, and that's how you upgrade to 25 H2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like,